I gotta tell you something, Rachel, all right? It's not intended to be mean. I have a purpose. You don't. And if you think that's some sort of blessing, it's not. It puts me at a huge life disadvantage. It means I have an obligation to see a very specific thing through. And with that obligation comes sacrifice, okay?
And what do you plan to do if this whole dream of yours doesn't work out?
That doesn't even enter my consciousness.
right, guys, what's going on? Let's get this rocking here. Let's see what's going on here in the markets, guys. Wow, nice pullback here. Pullback, but a huge pull up to the upside here, probably because of FOMC news. So we'll see what FOMC. Okay, let's take a look here, guys. We'll take a huge look and see what's going on. Let's take a look at FOMC news. Some odd reason I cannot see the dashboard here. It's so weird. It's super weird. Usually I can see the dashboard and everything, guys. It's weird as fuck. I don't know why I can't. Odd. Okay. So what we'll do is this here. Okay, let's take a look at the federal funds rate first. Obviously, this affected news dramatically. So let's take a look at how bad it affected news here. Wow, 3 FOMC members already headlines here. Let's take a look. The Federal Reserve has left monetary policy unchanged. Yep. There were 3 dissenters with Beth, Neil, and Laurie. Wow, for an immediate 25 basis rate hike. Remember, they were the 3 that wanted the Fed to drop it easing bias at the April FOMC. While Bloomberg suggested 2 out of the 100 economies expected a hike. Really? Wow. Interesting. Okay, so let's look at wow, I didn't even think Dixie would drop. I guess money's going into the bond market right now. That's interesting. I want to look at the statement. Okay, the rule here, if you guys honestly just want to see what happened, just look at the statement, bro. The statement is the easiest way to be able to distinguish everything. If you guys want to just fast track this, because I like to be on speed, like everything in life is speed, right? So let's just fast track with the statement, right? This is the statement. Looking for the statement right now. There we go.
Tremendous respect for your money, and I
This is what I need, the PDF. This is what I'm talking about.
It's only a matter of time before it fills stadiums in the United States too, before I'm staring at you from the cover of a Wheaties box.
Okay. This is what I want. Okay, this is what I'm going to transcribe. This is like why I said I need to transcribe this. Okay, so let's look at this right here. Let's transcribe this here. Give me the most important points. Give me, or actually, let's go into Trade DNA. See if I can drop any PDF files in here. I can't. It won't let me. Well, I'll add that feature soon for you guys. Okay, let's find out what it's saying here. Let's find this out here. As that loads, that loads up, guys. Let's do this here. Dixie pullback for a massive run to the upside here. So I'm not concerned here for Dixie at all, because regardless, we've broken structure on the daily here on this side. So regardless of what's happening here, dailies have been broken already, both here, and we haven't here yet, but that means this is still kind of an order flow, right? We've broken out of order flow here, broken structure here. With that break of structure, you know, I was hoping for nothing dramatic, but obviously after the FOMC statement, this is also another break of structure to the upside here. So what that means is, what are we looking for? That means we're looking for a run, okay, and a buy. Where would that buy come to? Most likely, we'd look at the 12-hour here. See if price stops here. Most likely it will. And then it's going to have a massive run to the upside here, or come back to the order block. But to be honest, I think price is going to stop here, probably come back or go a little bit lower into this zone and then run. The reason why is because this right here is the impulse move. This is the impulse move. This looks like the correction for another impulse move to the upside. That's for the FOMC report. Let's take a look at it real quick here. I just want to do this fast, guys. Let's put it right here. Okay, let's look at the report. Let's look at the way it's running here. We'll have Helix kind of go over it with y'all. Okay, so right now what is it right here? There we go. Okay, so we are hawkish, right? Yeah, hawkish. Roughly 7 out of 10 hawkish. Most important rules. Rates were Yeah, there's no signal. Yeah, bullish. Treasury yields are always going to be bullish. We've been knowing this here. Max slightly bearish. Yeah, we're hiking, guys. There is no. This is going to be remaining bullish. This pullback was probably just a price in here because we wanted to see rates probably move higher, and this would have. We wanted to see a rate hike today. But most likely, guys, I'm not going to lie to you guys. Let's go into fundamentals here. Let's go into COTs. Not COTs, rates. We held. But let's look at the heat map, right? Realistically, right now, September, there's a very, very, very large chance we're hiking, guys. Look at the odds. The odds increase today that there's even potentially September 6th, 2 basis point hikes. So even going up 4%, this curve right here is ridiculous. What does that mean? It means that most likely, bro, guys, we're going into a bear market here. This is again like what I spoke about. Bear market. Bear market is coming, and it's basically here. Right, the bear market is here. So. Like we're experiencing it. It's going to be coming. I've been talking about this for a long time. I have a YouTube video coming out about all of this here happening, and it's happening now in live time. So current rate 2.5. Europe is increasing rates. Bank of England is increasing rates. The Australian Bank is increasing rates with potentially a cut here in 2027. Bank of Japan, their path is to increase rates. But you want to know something serious that happened today that I thought was fucking crazy? Let's go look at this here. Did you see that Korea stock market today dropped tremendously to the point where it was almost like there had to be an emergency meeting, the Bank of Korea or something like that? Something happened today where it declined close to, I forgot how big. Yeah, so look at this. With a benchmark KOSPI index plunging over 43% from its June peak. Best performing Asian market of 2026 plunges to 43%. That's insane. In 40 days, erasing 2 trillion in market cap. Even larger than India. AI changed everything. They just had a bubble pop. 40% drawdown is insane. That shit looks like a meme coin. This looks like a meme coin. For real. Looks like a fucking meme coin. Oh. Yeah, we're going bearish, guys. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back here. Okay, so I talked about the sells here, right, on Tuesday. Sold off, came back early this morning. The trade of the day was really sells. I've just been calling sells from here, 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 here. I've been calling sells, guys. And to be honest, right now is actually a very strong area that it's an area to respect. But if it does break structure here, which most likely I'm assuming it's going to, The next zone here that you're going to want to sell off at from this impulse move, because this is the new impulse move. Realistically, you see that right there. Right there. Next area will be here. That area is the area you're going to want to watch out for. Next target I have from here, from these lows. Be careful, very tight stop, but I do believe that we're going to sell off here. I'm going to stick with my selling bias here. Don't believe anything is bullish. US 30, same thing, right? Every zone here that I said it needed to fill, it filled. NAS, same thing. Sell, sell, wow, it's selling dramatically. Even the area that I talked about that it needed to respect, it broke through. Wow. NAS from peak is down 11%. I think it's going to go worse. I think it's going to come here. I think NAS is going to come here. Market corrections are coming, guys, so that's what I'm saying. Rate hikes. Rate hikes always have market corrections. Okay. Next sell-off is here. And you're going to want to resell again over there. Russell, full TP hit. Full TP. Russell. Gold volatility. Interesting. Constant increases. The fact these yields are rising so high, risk off. If you look at that, look at the oil trade. This thing's gonna pull back and then run. Oil is still valid, very, very much valid. Wow. Holy shit. Gold broke through this zone. Swipe liquidity and then boom. Gold is playing way too many games. I needed to break structure here. And then we'll look for buys. That's what I need. Tomorrow I want to buy gold. But it needs to break structure here. If it doesn't break structure, I'm not going to buy because all it's doing is consolidating. So it needs to break structure. If not, I refuse to buy. need to see some biased buys here on this side here, because if not, it's just like I don't want to buy it. So realistically, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow, because bro, this is just, again, like consolidation. Could be a consolidation play, come back down, repeat, come back up. And to be honest, if we're scalping, yes, but for a swing move, like from what I'm looking at, I'm not gonna swing move it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna swing move it. Wow, USD CAD is in an incredible buy. Wow, we might get the buy of the century right now for USD CAD. This might be an incredible buy. Wow, this is a good buy for USD CAD. Wow. USD CAD, great buy coming. Look at our BTC sells here.
In case you forgot, I have a week to make $1,500, not including airfare. I need to focus right now. No distractions.
Slowly selling off, guys, but this thing is gonna sell off to the dude, gonna drop to the moon, man. Fly down below. I can't wait till it drops to 55k. Needs to happen already. I've been waiting too long, guys. I've been stuck here on these sells from here to here. I've been selling this. I've been stuck in some of these sells. The swap fees are so fucking high. I've been stuck in some of these sells for 83 days. What the fuck, dude? 90 days I've been holding some of these trades. I'm getting sick and tired of these, bro. I'm getting sick and tired of some of these trades. So wow, we're in profit. But I mean, shit, it's just annoying because my swap fees are getting higher, so I'm gonna have to start stacking more trades. All these are super low. MSRT is super low. Wow, MSRT is about to dump. Sell off. Nvidia. Wow, Nvidia is breaking structure. Nvidia going down. We're gonna have a buy of the century for Nvidia here soon when Nvidia comes here. I don't think it'll ever. I hope Nvidia comes to 130.34. If it does, wow, we'll have the buy of the century with that. Apple looks still decent. Amazon looks like it's, I've been looking for sells on Amazon. Google looks like it's recovering to sell off. Meta, Tesla, Gaps, doing great, man. All right, guys. Well, we will trade tomorrow. But other than that, I appreciate y'all. Love y'all, and I hope you guys have a good evening. Talk to you all soon. Have a good one, guys.